Hello and welcome to my channel, Stands to Reason. My name is Dan and I will be your host for this introduction video. Let me start this video off by asking some rhetorical questions. Questions that I may already know the answers to. Are you tired of doing the dying thing? Are you tired of living 50, 60, 70 years or so and then you're out of here? Are you tired of falling ill to every virus, cold, flu, or cancer that happens along? Would you like to have the body you had or will have when you were 25? Are you tired of people saying that we're going to live in a dystopian future? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, or all of these questions, then welcome to Stands to Reason. Now that you might think that these are wild, nonsensical questions, I assure you they are not. In this Stands to Reason series, I will show you that there is no reason that we have to die. This is not a scam or a misinformation channel, and I am not asking you for anything except to watch the videos and see for yourself if you want to continue being a part of life. These will be short videos, and I have 8 of these videos planned, and I wanted to introduce these to you. First one is Everything is an Element of Elements. And this video is available now. Gravity and the Gravity Interlock. This video is ready now. And then 3, Nothing Falls, The Moon and the Tides, Death and Decay, Night and Day, The Seasons, Breathing, DNA and the Growing Process, Nature and Free Will, You, Me, Us, Society, and the Future. Now the first 2 videos, Everything is an Element of Elements and Gravity and the Gravity Interlock, are the only ones you really need to watch. They will explain that the whole universe is just a simple mechanism. The other 6 videos just reinforce the first 2 by explaining each topic. You should watch these videos just to make your life easier so you don't have to figure one of these topics out yourself. Maybe you'll only be interested in, say, the growing process or the moon and tides. These videos, they'll be available soon. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you will be notified when they come out. And these videos I have planned, but if I see a common thread of a topic in the comment section, which I hope you leave comments, don't leave a book, I won't read a book, but if you write a comment about a topic you want to know something about, I'll do a video on that too. The overall focus of these videos is to stop the dying process. That's a reality. And longevity is not a futuristic concept. We can achieve longevity now. Truthfully, I estimate that if we start now, in 5 to 10 years, dying will be cut in half. We don't need new technologies or inventions. Everything we need, we already have. The first 2 videos will show you that everything can be mimicked on a large computer system, the whole universe. My goal is to set up a computer system for life. The planet does not have a computer system dedicated to life, and we should have one. To help me, and therefore help yourselves, watch the videos and subscribe. You'll learn things you never dreamt of. I guarantee that. I'm Dan. This is Stands to Reason, and welcome to longevity. Thank you.